My name is Omkar Arun Gaikwad, roll number 190306 A division, subject flat IC2. We are converting non-deterministic finite state automata NFA to deterministic finite state automata DFA using JFlap simulator under the guidance of Pramod Dharmadhikari sir. We are converting given NFA to DFA. So let's move towards the JFlap simulator. I already downloaded JFlap software and Java JDK, which is important for JFlap. Here is lot of option in JFlap software, so we can solve many examples of finite state automata, push down automata, tuning machine. Today we will study about finite state automata. So click on finite state automata. Here is the window of finite state automata. There are many options like file. In file, many options: input, test, view option. In conversion, there are many options like help, attribute editor, state creator, transition creator, delete button, undo and redo. First, we design the given DFA using JFlap simulator. We take state Q0, Q1 and Q2. We can move the states using attribute editor anywhere, no problem. We make a Q0 state as initial state and a Q2 state as final state. Maybe make a self loop of A on Q0. Give transition from Q0 to Q1 as A transition. Make the self loop of B on Q0 and give the transition from Q1 to Q2 as A. Make self loop of A on final state Q2. As you can easily understand, it is non-deterministic finite state automata because there is no rule of B on Q0. Also, it's not rule of B on Q2. That's why it is an NFA. There are two rules of A on Q0 state. As we know, in DFA there is always exactly one rule of both variable on each state. We have to convert this NFA into DFA. In DFA there is no null transition and no double transition. First we give input to this NFA. We give multiple inputs. First string is, we type any string like A B A A and A A B B A. We can run any string. Here is the run inputs. As we show, both strings are accepted by this NFA. We can view and trace the path of how string is accepted. In JFlap software, we can trace path how the string will accepted by the simulator and how it is works. Then we convert this NFA into DFA. Go in converter, there are many options. Convert to DFA, click on it. NFA to DFA, here is the, you see, here is the complete. Here is the DFA, deterministic finite state automata. It's very large. You can make it small using attribute editor. This is the DFA as our required DFA. This DFA also accept all string accepted by NFA. It always accepts. You see, this is the DFA as built. I will tell about this DFA. This is deterministic finite state automata, as we can move anywhere using attribute editor. Any language accepted by NFA also accepted by DFA. There is the change of only state and transition. Always DFA accept all languages.